Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 8, Lesson 3. In Lesson 2, we learned about the key words in writing expressions, and we determined what the expression was asking in the form of what operation to do. Today, we're going to take it a step further, and we're going to write it out. All right, so remembering our key words or phrases, you should have your notes out from yesterday. We're going to add to them. Now, here's where I really want you to pay attention. Subtraction can get a little tricky, and it can have this thing, what we call a turnaround phrase. So, if you see, let me get the light. If you see keywords like less than, subtracted from, fewer than, you have to flip the order. So, like, if it says 5 less than a number, number goes first because you're taking away less than the number. All right, let's moving on. Okay, so here we go. We have the same ones that we had the other day. So you should know what operation to do. So let's get this going. So here we have 12 increase by a number. Okay. The quotients, this is division of a number and 7. So a number divided by 7. A number decreased by 4. A number is being decreased by 4. Okay, the product of a number and 9. Now, it looks like it would go like this, right? Product of a number came first, 9 came second, but we don't do that in expressions. The 9 always goes in front of the letter. Okay, here we go. It is your turn. I want you to pause this video and try these 4 problems, then come back and see if you got them correct. All right, for this one, you should have said 3 less than a number. So a number starts us out, and then we're taking 3 away because we want the number to be less. Okay, so n minus 3. Here we see 4/5 of a number. This is multiplication. It sounds like division, but we're actually taking 4/5 and we're dividing it, or we're multiplying it by a number, excuse me. Okay, the sum of a number and 25. So number, sum means add, and 25. Last but not least, 42 is subtracted from a number. So you got to start with the number, and then you have to subtract the 42 from it. There you go. That's the end of Unit 8, Lesson 3. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft and continue on your pathway. And I will see you back for Unit 8, Lesson 4.